parrots just landed in our tree. Kids are pretty excited. What do you think of that?
Mommy.
Is that crazy?
Mommy. I saw green birds!
Parrots.
They're so pretty!
They are beautiful, aren't they? What? This is crazy. This is crazy, isn't it, guys?
I see these birds so much. It's really like a house, right?
They do like our house. I think they like our big trees.
Yeah.
Listen to them.
Is this some video?
Uh-huh. Wow. This is unreal.
You think it's a forest, right? Hey, Mama?
Yeah, I've never seen this before. What do you think, Mikey?
You think Christopher?
Christopher, it's kind of crazy, isn't it?
Oh,
Oh, look at, they're flying down low, too.
You see, one just went behind you.
Oh, they have beautiful red wings.
I know. And they're all green. You see, one of them passed you.
Did he? Look at, there they are. Oh my goodness.
They're hurting me here. Let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back to building the fort. They're so pretty. No, it's not. They're done.
Here they go, they're leaving. What? This is crazy.
They're still here, right?
They're flying so low. Oh my goodness, I've never seen this. There they go, they're all leaving.
Why? Finally.
That was just about the craziest thing I have ever seen. There's still a couple up there, I hear them.
Missy, one time I saw some parrots having babies.
Really?
Daddy, look.
Wow, that was really cool.